Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of SEMrush and Google Keyword Planner, two of the most talked about tools for keyword research and digital marketing success. Both are powerful in their own right, but they serve slightly different audiences and purposes. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of which tool fits your goals and your budget best in 2025. So let's get started. SEMrush is a full-blown digital marketing suite. It's designed for SEO professionals, marketers, agencies, and businesses that want deep data and automation to grow online visibility across organic search, paid ads, content, and even social media. It was launched in 2008, and SEMrush has grown into a comprehensive platform with over 13 million users worldwide, offering more than 55 tools. That's right, 55 tools. It's not just about keywords. SEMrush can audit your website, spy on competitors, suggest content topics, manage PPC campaigns, schedule social media posts, and much more. Now compare that to Google Keyword Planner, which is a free tool available inside Google Ads. It's more streamlined and more focused. This tool is meant to help advertisers find relevant keywords to target when running Google Ads campaigns. But over the years, many SEOs and marketers have started using it for organic keyword research as well, thanks to its search volume and competition data that come directly from Google itself. The difference in scope is clear from the start. SEMrush is a premium all-in-one platform. Google Keyword Planner is a free focus tool with very specific capabilities. But that's just the start. Let's now break down to their core features. Let us discuss the main features of these platforms. First, SEMrush. There's the Keyword Magic tool. It's one of the most advanced keyword research tools out there, pulling from a database of over 26 billion keywords. This gives you long-tail variations, keyword difficulty, intent, and trends. There's also a competitor keyword analysis tool. With this, you can see exactly what keywords your competitors are ranking for, both paid and organic. You get to reverse engineer their SEO strategy. Site Audit tool. With this, you can find and fix technical SEO issues on your website with automated scans and recommendations. Topic Research. With this, you can get content ideas based on current trends and what's working in your niche. Position Tracking. With this, you can monitor keyword rankings over time. You can compare performances and track by device or location. Advertising Research. With this, you can dive into your competitors' ad copies, keywords, and budgets. And the Social Media Toolkit. With this, you can schedule posts, you can analyze engagement, and track social performance, all from one dashboard. Now let's go on to Google Keyword Planner. With the Google Keyword Planner, you can discover new keywords. You enter a product, a service, or URL, and it generates relevant keyword ideas with monthly search volumes. Search volume and forecasts. You get insight into how your keywords have performed historically and projections for how they might do in the future. Bid estimates. Since this is built for ads, you can see how much you might need to bid for to get top off-page placements. Location targeting. You can get keyword stats that are based on locations, regions, countries, or even cities, which is super helpful for local businesses. Device and time filters. You can forecast how keywords perform on different devices or times of the day. It's a much leaner tool, but when used correctly, especially in tandem with actual ad campaigns, it delivers highly relevant data. All you need to do is to sign into your account, start now to put in your business information details, and with that, you can use the Google Keyword Planner. Now let us talk about the pricing of these tools. For SEMrush, there are three basic plans: the Pro plan, the Guru plan, and the Business plan. To use the SEO toolkit, you will need $139.95 per month for the Pro plan, $249.95 per month for the Guru plan, and $499.95 per month for the Business plan. You will get more discounts when you choose to pay annually. There's a 7-day free trial on SEMrush, but once it's over, the paywall kicks in hard. How about the Google Keyword Planner? It is completely free to use. The only catch is you need a Google Ads account, and to access full keyword data like the exact search volumes, you often need to be running a paid campaign. So while it's technically free, you may need to spend a few dollars on ads to unlock everything. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of these platforms. First, the pros. For SEMrush, it has an incredibly rich database. It's an all-in-one tool covering SEO, PPC, and content. It is great for competitor and SERP analysis, and there's frequent feature updates and improvements. The Google Keyword Planner Pros is 100% free, as mentioned. It's simple and intuitive to use, and the data comes straight from Google. How about the cons? For SEMrush, it is pricey, especially for solo users or beginners, and may feel overwhelming at first due to its vast toolsets. For Google Keyword Planner, it is limited in scope, no organic competitor data, and there are no content tools. You also need an active ad spend for full data, and it doesn't offer difficulty scores for keywords. So which is the best keyword tool in 2025? Here's a simple breakdown. If you are after a comprehensive feature-rich platform to power up your entire digital marketing strategy, from keyword discovery and SEO audits to competitor analysis and content planning, SEMrush is absolutely worth the investment. It's powerful, it's scalable, and constantly improving. It's also ideal for marketers who are serious about growing organic traffic and optimizing every touch point of their online presence. Well, on the flip side, if your main goal is to launch or improve Google Ads campaigns and your budget is tight, Google Keyword Planner will serve you just fine. It's simple, it's fast, and gives you access to accurate Google search data. So SEMrush is like a professional DSLR camera. It's perfect for high-performance projects with lots of settings. While Google Keyword Planner is just like your smartphone camera. It is quick, reliable, and great for basic shots. I hope you found this comparison helpful. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Moz, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.